If you want to increase out the functionality of Photopea, then what you can do is you can add in plugins as you want as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto the Windows menu and then go to plugins section right here. So once you go around onto plugins section, there are many different plugins that you can actually install. For example, there's the emoji plugin right here, and if I were to click on it, it says the resource is added. So now around over here, you can see that the emoji plugin is there. So you can simply go around and load this out right here. So this is the plugin that is there. Similarly, I can go around over here onto, let's say, plugins right here. Then what I can do is, let's say, for example, add in the QR code maker right here. Click on it and it's added right here, just like this. And you can simply go around over here and then let's say, for example, generate a QR code right here, just like this as well. Press enter, and then this is what you have, as you can see right here. Let's have high error correction, and this is what you have. And you can also go around and change around the margin and insert to Photopea, and then you can see that I have this particular effect right here. And similarly, there are a lot of plugins that you can go around and install in Photopea so that you can increase the functionality of it. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.